Beste Duo brushes are a product that, in all honesty, when I first saw, I thought were kind of silly. It seems pretty gimmicky. It's a brush with on one end a flat and the other end a round. But as I got to use them, they were a little bit more functional than I thought. First of all, the hair themselves is beautiful. It's the Beste hair, so it's a Golden Taklon hair, and it's you can see here it comes to a beautiful point and very sharp edge that you can achieve. And these will work with any water-based media. They're going to work with your acrylics, your watercolor. They'll work with inks, all that good stuff. And the thing that I like the best is, especially when working with water-based media, is every time you go to change your water out or clean your brush, your water gets a little dirtier. So minimizing the amount of times when you're switching colors that you have to go to that water can be helpful and also save you some time. So just for some examples, let's go ahead and pull up some color here. And I first want to show you just how the brush responds. It feels very balanced in my hand. It comes to a kind of tapered point in the center, but a little bit thicker on both ends. And you can see here this is a 1/4 inch flat with a number 4 round. And the set has 3 different sizes. This is the smallest one that I'm holding. And then I will go into some of a different color here, some opera. So, we're not putting together, an actual painting right now, but just to kind of show you, they hold a good amount of color. I'm using a cold press watercolor paper here, so I'm going to get some bumps from the nature of the paper, but you can see it holds a good amount of color. And then just simple enough, going to my second one. So if I was doing blending techniques, if I was just trying to minimize maximize my time, it could be a very, very useful tool to have on hand. The plein air painters out there, the less brushes you have to bring out, the better. You're always trying to keep it lighter and more efficient. So very good for, having 2 brushes in one, which is a great thing to have. So these are the Beste Duo brushes. Give them a try.